Today we're unraveling a fascinating effect in the stock market known as the January effect. It's like a New Year's resolution for stocks, and understanding it can be quite handy for your investment strategy. Or just to understand the talking heads on the Business Channel when they throw the term around like we all know what it means. Let's dive in. So what exactly is the January effect? Well, it's like the stock market's version of a January gym rush. Everybody shows up in January, pumps a few weights, runs a few stairs, and by Valentine's Day, they're back at Publix, buying chocolates, leaving the gym uncrowded for the disciplined few. Historically, it's observed that stock prices, especially those of smaller companies, tend to rise more in January than any other time of the year. But why does this happen? You could think of it like this. At the end of the year, many investors sell off stocks for various reasons. Maybe to claim a tax loss or to rebalance their portfolio. It's like a big end-of-year clearance sale. Then when January rolls around, they're ready to buy again, often reinvesting in those same types of stocks. Now you might be wondering, does this mean January is the best time to buy stocks? Well, it's not that simple. Like predicting snow in winter, the January effect isn't guaranteed. It's a trend, not a rule. And with more people aware of it, its impact can vary. Here's something interesting though. The January effect is more pronounced in small cap stocks, small company stocks. These are like the small, nimble boats of the stock market. They can move faster and more dramatically compared to the big, steady ships. Those are your large cap stocks, or the blue chips as they're often referred to. So how can you use this information? Well, if you're a long-term investor, just be aware of it. Nothing to do differently necessarily. If you're thinking about investing in small caps, well, January might be a good time to keep a closer eye on them. But remember, investing is more like a marathon than a sprint. It's about the long-term strategy, not just a one-month trend. And hey, I don't know you. This is not specific investing advice for you or anyone else. So there you have it, the January effect. It's a fascinating piece of stock market lore, like the Santa Claus rally, that highlights how investor behavior can influence stock prices. As always, make sure your investment decisions fit your overall financial plan and risk tolerance.